This easy Swedish quick pickled cucumber recipe is ideal with Swedish meatballs and beyond. We're going to start with an English cucumber. That's the one wrapped in plastic. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the plastic. When peeling the cucumber, I opt for using an artfully striped cucumber peeling technique. Simply peel the cucumber skin at regular intervals, resulting in an eye-catching pattern that adds a touch of sophistication. Next up is to thinly slice those cucumbers. You can use a really nice sharp chef's knife. Or another option is to use a mandolin. This makes it so easy, but be careful because it's super sharp. You can barely tell you're even doing it. In fact, I had to check a couple times to make sure that it was cutting the cucumber. Look at those perfect slices. Okay, now that we have them sliced, let's put them into a jar. I like to use a mason jar for this. Next up, let's make the brine. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add the remaining ingredients. That includes 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water. Add some sugar. One teaspoon of salt. Then add 10 to 12 whole allspice berries. You're going to heat and stir this until the sugar dissolves. Pour it into the jar with the cucumbers and then let it cool to room temperature. They'll be ready to eat in about 30 minutes. These quick pickled cucumbers are ideal with Swedish meatballs.